Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this UK Games Expo haul. So first off is this bunch of butts. So this is quite cute. I'm going to be doing a separate unboxing of this game, which is going to be quite fun. They did a game demo and thought just had to, even without the game, just had to for reasons. Even without the card game, I just had to for reasons, for display purposes, but thankfully this is a game. In the expo it was £10 and then it's originally about £14.99 I've just saw online. So this is a cute D20 snail dice. This is what the snail looks like. It looks like it's got a shark inside and little green bits. So this coin was only £2. It's quite cute. It's got a little skull with little lizard skin bits and this pentagram. In one of the stores, I can't quite remember which one, so I'll try and find out what it was called again. They had a paint and take figurine workshop thing, which was free. So I managed to get these 3 figures. So this, I tried to quickly wash over it with paint. I'm going to do a little speed painting video on my other channel called Deathlake, showing the process. So this is what it looks like. And then I tried to, I'm not sure what I was doing with the wolf, but tried to put like little yellow bits. I don't know, focus. Don't know what I was doing with the wolf, but I had to do it really quickly because the time it was about to close. This home to finish. Little skeleton dude I'm going to be painting at some stage. So this gachapon machine was only £2. So this was a piece of candy, and then there's a little figure, little cat figure. They had a lottery thing, but I forgot and missed it. Little D20 dice, quite nice. This was from Titan Forge. Could not resist the ball machine. So I'll put that there. So one of the game demos at 2 PM game demo, play the game of radishes, I think, but then you get a free game after. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this soon on my channel. Also for competing, also for taking part in the little game. There were these little stickers, they're quite cool. Spin the wheel, card. I think this was a lucky dip, £1 lucky dip, I can't remember. And I realise it's missing a, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, it's just broken. Sticker. Sticker. Business card of the sticker. Mint. From Element Games. I think this is a mint. From my Army Painter. This was an Army Painter paint and take workshop, which was free. So I was no clue what I was doing. hence the colour and the flocking dice. Oh, orange and green dice. This was free from one of the things. Badge. From goatdrinks.co.uk. This was free from signing up to their Instagram. Up next is this cute thing. So from handmade polyclay and resin arts and crafts. I got 3 things from this. So they had a buy 2 get it both for £5. So this I'm going to count it as £2.50. Little guy with skull. Oh, little dude. Little dog. And then this was £1. And and this was a £1 dud thing, but it was still pretty cool. I think it's because of that the clipping over here, which I can just fill it out. Put that there for now. This is a tape thing. This is a tape. Little rats. Little mice. Little mice that has little different things. They're all little different poses. Spin the wheel for this card. Sticker. Sticker from the painting thing. This sticker was from this painting thing. Sticker. 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 A very cute free sticker. Bookmark of like hilarious just drop descriptions. Sticker. Sticker. Postcard. Cute little pin from Exit 28 Games. 2 free figures from I can't remember what store. Little football figures. Sticker. Sticker. So this was from the entrance, which was a free game. That's not a hat. So these are little things, and it's act card, it's a showtime, then rules are here, some coasters, Jolly Pets coasters, so this is cute. Little sheep, wolf, pig, cat, tiger, and a little mice. And lastly, this is one from one of the stalls. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below your experience of gaming festivals or events.